So very good evening, everyone. So today, very good evening. So today in this session, we are going to solve the problems in the chapter income from house property. And in the today's session, we are not going to just see the answers and just tick the answers. We all are going to do the problems in the class, such that the main motive of the workout batch is not to just do an audit on the concept. We have to go through the writing process of each and every question that came in exam. So with that intention, from question number 1 onwards, let us see how the presentation has to go in exam to get that 6 marks in examination. Are you all understanding what I said, everyone? Yes, sir. So please open your notes, keep the heading solutions to IFHP. IFHP. First one. Question number 1. So, see here, our efforts will never go waste. Put proper efforts, do proper hard work. He will be always be there with you. Definitely, you will be driven to the success 1000%. But do proper hard work. When I say proper hard work, with respect to DT, 70% will be your efforts in understanding the provision. 30% will be to do the practical problems. Then only the full clarity will come. So therefore, in that intention, let us solve all the questions in the class itself. Let it take time. I will be with you. We will both do the answers together. Don't scribble your answers, that will spoil your paper in exam as well. Okay, what you do in the normal class is what is reflected in the final exam. Are you understanding? I will give you an example for you to understand. Whenever you see any kind of successful cricketer, let it take a decade back Sachin Tendulkar or ongoing batsman, if you see either Kohli or Rohit Sharma or whoever the great batsmen contemporarily who are playing extremely well. If you observe, even net practice also they do as seriously as a normal match. They will wear their equipment, they will wear the pads, they will wear everything, and they will bowl, they will bat in the same way in which they will do in a crease. Why? It is their workout batch. Always what you do in practice is what you do in the main. Practice time you will just go audit everything. Main exam pen will not move in exam hall. In order to have the clarity in exam hall as to how to solve the questions and answers, that practice should start from the classes itself. Are you understanding what I said, everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So do as if this is a final exam. Means in exam when you open the question paper, this question came. How will you present the answer? Just like that, you will not scribble, na? We will present properly, step by step, how to present. This question came in exam for 6 marks. 6 marks, what you will write? House property directly will give answer, means 1 mark they will give. So step by step, we need to show each and every answer. Okay. How to do that is what we are going to do in the today's class. Okay. Let's see the question first. You are required to compute the income from house property for the assessment year 25-26 of Mrs. Rajini for her house property at Panchkula in Haryana. Municipal value, fair rent and standard rent given. Property was let out for 80,000 per month for the period April 24 to November 24. Thereafter, tenant vacated the property and Mrs. Rajini used the house for self-occupation. Okay. Next, the rent for the months October and November could not be realized from the tenant. The tenancy was bona fide, but the defaulting tenant was in occupation of the property of SSE, paying rent regularly. She paid municipal tax at the rate of 12% during the year and paid interest of rupees 50,000 during the year towards the repairs of the house property. This is what they have given in the question. First of all, you tell me, point number 1. This property is let out property or self occupied property? This property is a let out property or a self occupied property? It is both. It is both. It is both. Actually, it is both. But because of section number 23, even if the property is let out for 1 day, though there is a self occupancy, we will not consider it as a self occupied property. We will consider it only as a. If you remember, we already read the provision in the last class. Correct? So that's the point here. If you observe, see here, you are not reading the question properly. See here. Tenant Mrs. Rajini used the property for her self-occupancy. Just because of the reason that the property was used for self-occupancy for 3 months, for 3 months ki self-occupied property calculation, for 9 months ki let-out property calculation, like that we are not going to do. Did you all understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
did you all understand the point clearly? Yeah. Let's do the answer now. Let's start. Keep the heading. Solution. Okay. First, write down clearly. Step 1. IFHP computation statement. Okay. We are going to do the entire question deeming it as or taking it as self-occupied property or as a let-out property. First, give that clarity.
Let-out property.
Yes. So therefore, write down clearly. Not deemed let-out here. Let-out here. Deemed let-out is a different concept altogether. I will tell you when it will come. Actually, they are not asking more questions on deemed let out these days. Write down. First one. Gross annual value. Gross annual value. Now you will tell. From the gross annual value, what we have to do?
Credits the municipal taxes.
Are you writing along with me, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Number 4, you tell me what will come.
Standard direction, sir. Deductions are beautiful.
In this, how many deductions will come?
Standard direction. No, sir. No, sir. No.
This you have to write in exam clearly. Don't write shortcuts. Standard deduction, interest on capital borrowed. Clearly you have to present. Number 5. Net annual value is actually 1 minus 2. Okay. Next. What is the final amount called as?
Income from house tax.
Income chargeable to tax under the head IFHP. Okay, everyone, completed writing up to here?
Yes, sir.
See, exam, whenever you present your answer, your presentation must be this way. Computation schedule, you need to have a clarity as to what will be included. So, gross annual value, municipal taxes paid, net annual value, deductions, income chargeable under the head IFHP.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Now write down step 2. Calculation of gross annual value. Calculation of gross annual value. Now you people have to tell what are the comparisons that we need to do. That's it. 3 things we need to compare. First one will be
Municipal value.
see the question and tell me. See the question and tell me what is the municipal value of the property?
7,50,000.
What is the fair rent?
6,30,000.
30 or 40? 30.
30.
Tell me now. Whichever is higher or whichever is lower? Next. In this, what is the selected amount?
7,50,000.
Next. Oh, sorry. 7,50,000. So next, this is 1, 2. Comparison with what?
Standard rent, sir. Standard.
See the question and tell what is the standard rent? 7,20,000. Okay. Whichever is
Lower. Whichever is lower.
what is the final selected amount here?
7 lakhs.
Okay, done. Next, once this is completed, 7,20,000 can I write here in gross annual value?
No, sir.
No, we should not. What we have to calculate? Actual rent receivable. Number 3. Hey, mute. Write down. Tell me, actually, the rent received by him is, tell me how much? 80,000 per month. Correct? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you should tell. Rupees 80,000 into how many months?
8 months.
See, listen first. No, listen. First listen to me. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Totally how many months?
8 months.
8 months.
Write down. Unrealized rent for 2 months cannot be deducted. I think you know why it cannot be deducted. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Why it cannot be deducted? Why it cannot?
One of the conditions.
So you have to write that clearly. Did you understand how to write an exam? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Then see answer. I'm telling you very clearly. In my office, my partners are valuing DT papers. Last attempt also they have done. Always you see for this explanation they will give half mark. For this number they will give half mark. Both together will come 1 mark to this adjustment. What you will do in exam? Unrealized rent you will put a dash, but you don't tell why it is. Half mark gone. Like this, each problem half 21 problems. 10 marks there only you are losing.
Yes, sir. Noted.
So you are thinking that they know everything. You have to write clearly. One of the condition was not satisfied. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Finally, write down. Finally, write down number 4. Tell the answer, yeah. What is the final gross annual value?
7 lakh.
Clearly, let us write down.
20,000.
Rupees 7,20,000. Bracket le write down. I think you can understand what is higher of 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, higher of 2 and 3, 7,20,000. Okay, now you fill here. Now you fill here. Now what we have to do? Step 2, you have to write like this. Okay. Now write down the answer. Up to here. Everyone understood clearly, yeah? Okay. Now tell me. Municipal taxes paid payable in this case. Actually paid not paid Paid. Paid. How much?
12%.
That we need to write. Write down. Step 3. Step 3. Write down. Okay, everyone understood this note?
Yes, sir.
Now you write down. What is the municipal value of the property?
7,50,000.
Please tell the answer. Huh?
90,000.
90,000. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Write down 90,000. Here write down clearly. Step 3. Okay. Now, step 3 here, and point 3 here. 1 minus 2. How much it will be? Write down. Okay, done. Next, deductions under this section number 24, A and B. Two deductions are available. Standard deduction at what rate?
30%.
Standard deduction at the rate of what rate? 30%.
30%.
Okay. Calculate that 30% and tell. 30% of 1 lakh. Correct? Whatever I have written.
Yes, sir.
I am believing in your numbers. I don't have answers with me. That's why 1,89,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, is there any interest on capital borrowed given in the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How much it is? 50,000. Can we deduct or not? Yes. Okay. Calculate. 6,30,000 minus 1,89,000 minus 50. How much?
3,91,000.
I couldn't understand. 3 lakh I understood. 91,000. Huh? That's it. If you do this way, then they will give you these 6 marks in exam, or else they don't give. Ante simple. Everyone understood how to present your answer in exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Write down. Question 2. Like this, we are going to do the questions now. Questions 2. Again, a 6 marks question. Okay. Let us see. Mr. Ravi, a resident and ordinarily resident in India, owns a let out house property having different flats in Kanpur, which has a municipal value of 27 lakh, standard rent of 2980, market rent of similar property is 30 lakh, annual rent 40 lakh, includes 10 lakh rupees pertaining to different amenities provided in the building. One flat in the property, nothing is given how many flats are there, it's on assumption basis. One flat in the property, annual rent is rupees 2 lakh 40, remains vacant for 4 months during the previous year, which has incurred following expenses in respect of aforesaid property. Municipal taxes 4 lakh for the financial year 24-25, 10% rebate is obtained. Arrears of municipal tax of financial year 23-24 paid during the year 1 lakh 40 and includes interest on arrears to 25,000. Lift maintenance expenses 2 lakh 40 and which includes a payment of 30,000 made in cash. Salary of rupees 88,000 paid to staff for collecting house rent and other charges. Compute the total income of Mr. Ravi for the assessment year 25-26, assuming that Mr. Ravi has not opted for provisions under section 115 BAC. Read the question once. We'll start with the solution. Wherever assumptions are required, we will write them. Please read question properly. 2 minutes time. Read it, no problem. I will wait for you.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the provision says property includes buildings and the land upper apparent to building.
Yes.
So in this, can't we assume that amenities also comes under IFHP?
Amenities, listen. I will give you an example. Amenity is not an appurtenant. For example, if there is a building, you should not consider only the income from the building. If there is any garden, etc., those also will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, they are saying very clearly that annual rent of 40 lakh, which includes 10 lakh pertaining to different amenities provided in the building. Okay.
Okay.
Amenity is not appurtenant to land. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Amenities means, for example, I am providing, say, for example, tennis court, a cricket court, etc., like that. For those, I am charging separately from the public. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Those will be included into these amenities, clubhouse facility, all those.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, those all comes under the other sources, or if that is the main business, that becomes a business or professional income. That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Read the question, everyone, please. Okay, one? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Firstly, in this particular question, certain important points that we need to discuss. Tell me once, roughly you tell me the answer, that's it. Then after we will fairly copy everything and we will complete the answer. 6 marks question means, technically if you want to understand what is the importance of 6 marks question is, 12% of your paper is dependent on this question. Correct? Your paper will come
Yes.
for 50 marks. 6 on 50 means how much percent? Yeah, 12%. Means one question will decide 12% of your result. Okay, so it's very, very important, crucial. Anything more than 5% is important. Sorry, let us understand one point here. So there is a person who is a resident and ordinarily resident, let out its property. Now I will ask you one question. Tell me, what is the municipal value? Roughly you tell the answer first.
27 lakh.
27 lakh. Please, when I ask you, everyone, please participate. Don't sit idle. Then there is no point of joining the workout session, say. Okay? Everyone concentrate and answer as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Let us begin. So, what is the municipal value? 27 lakh. What is the fair rent that can be collected in that locality?
30 lakhs.
Municipal value or fair rent, whichever is higher means what is selected?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. What is the standard rent in that? Whichever is lower. Means what is selected? 29 lakh 80. This we need to compare with what?
Actually,
Actual rent. Now listen. Now listen. Now listen. Actual rent received by me will be how much is a question. First listen. Totally how much I collected? 40 lakh. In that 40 lakh, how much is for amenities? 10 lakhs. Okay. One flat in the property, annual rent 2 lakh 40, remains vacant for 4 months during the year. How many months? 4 months. Okay. Now you first tell me 2 lakh 40,000. Okay, 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 is the annual rent. In this annual rent is 40 lakh, which includes 10 lakh rupees worth amenities. And in simple sense, if you wanted to understand, 1/4 will be amenities, 3/4 will be actual rent on the building. Correct? Everyone understood?
yes,
And in this 2 lakh 40,000 annual rent also, how much is towards amenities and how much will be towards the rent? 3/4 into 3 by 4 means how much?
1,80,000.
1 lakh 80,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh 80,000 is annual. In this, how many months it is vacant? Into 4 divided by 12. How much it will become? 60,000. 60,000. Okay, now listen. Not yet completed. Tell me, what is our gross annual value that we calculated here? 29 lakh 80,000. 29 lakh 80,000. Okay. Now listen carefully to my point. If you remember yesterday, we discussed about how to treat loss due to vacancy. If you remember, when you have to reduce the loss due to vacancy? Okay. Now tell me, after that, loss due to vacancy. How much is a loss due to vacancy here? 60,000. Tell the value. 29 lakh 20,000. Correct? See, this is one way of doing the answer. Actually, like this only you have to do. What I mean to say is, whenever we are saying about actual rent, actual rent receivable, then 29 lakh 80,000 is the standard rent that is selected. Standard rent or actual rent receivable. How much is the actual rent receivable? 30 lakh. Correct? Okay. Now listen, I will tell you what alternatives the institute is doing its answers. See here. This question only have the complication. So please clarify that in this session itself. Please listen first. Slowly let us do. Municipal value fair rent whichever is higher. Resultant with standard rent whichever is lower. Okay. We will get one answer. This answer we will compare it with what?
Actual
Receivable. Whichever is what?
higher.
Higher. So now listen carefully one by one. Municipal value 27 lakh. Fair rent will be 30 lakh. Higher will be 30 lakh. 30 lakh. Standard rent is 29 lakh 80. Whichever is lower means what will be selected? 29 lakh 80. 80,000. Up to here, I think everyone had a full clarity. Yeah, first box. Okay, next comes the main story. Please listen carefully. Next, actual rent receivable or actual rent received or receivable. Tell me, normally, what is the actual rent that I have to receive here?
30 lakhs.
Okay, 30 lakhs. What is it? 30 lakhs. Okay. Now listen. Both of them, whatever is actually received. See here. Previously, when I asked the same question, actual rent received or receivable. See here. 40 lakhs is the total annual rent. 40 lakhs total annual rental, amenities form part of 10 lakh. Remove the amenities, how much is the actual rent to be received? 30. So 30 lakh, this is one more way of doing, this is a more legitimate way of doing the answer. 30 lakh and 28 lakh, 29 lakh 80,000, whichever is higher. What will get selected now?
30 lakhs. 30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Okay. Now tell me, this will become the selected amount for the GAV, correct?
Yes, sir.
From this, what we have to remove? Can you please tell me? From this, what we have to remove? Already calculated a loss due to vacancy, 60,000. How much is it? 29 lakh?
40,000.
This is the more legitimate way of doing the same answer. Everyone understood the concept clearly? Yeah?
Yes.
I'm talking to you all. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
This is a more legitimate way. Institute every time is doing the answers like this only. Once before, they have done in the way in which we have done before. But I will always go by this answer only because recent exam questions, so this question came, they have done like this only.
Okay.
Are you listening? So I will show 2-3 alternatives if there is an answer. But what is more legitimate in exam, I will tell you at the last. This way is more legitimate in the examination. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First of all, if there is any doubt to anyone, you can ask.
Sir, but this is the only way, right, sir? Why did you do it like the other way?
Reason is in sometimes in old RTPs, what institute have done is like that. Though it is not ultimately correct, this is more correct, but they have done like that. That's why I'm showing you the answer. Because if you see any RTP answer of the institute at that time, old RTPs, if you find, then you may ask a question, sir, like this they have done. That's why I'm showing that old one also. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
But recent trends are every time. This is more legit. That's why I'm using the word more legitimate. Means what? Even as per income tax law, the way in which I have done the second time, that is the more right one. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we start doing the answer, everyone? Steps are more important. 6 marks, 12% of your paper. Respect that marks. Do the points clearly. Start. Step 1. Step 1. What is the step 1 always?
Calculation of income from household.
IM computation status.
This is common always. Computation statement. For clarity's sake, write down. What kind of property we are doing? Let out.
Property.
For me, this benefit is available. You have to write down. I will wait for you for a minute. Please write down the statement. See, don't feel the session as a burden. Everything I have to write the name a workout batch. You have to work out everything in the class. Again, here also, if you are adopting for some shortcut techniques, means I can't do anything. Copy down up to here first. Notes properly we have to write. Step 2 after.
Sir, in the main statement, loss due to vacancy will not be deducted.
In the main statement.
Loss due to vacancy will not be.
No. While calculating the gross annual value itself, we will do adjusted gross annual value. There itself we will do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That means in the statement when we do gross annual value before loss due to vacancy, the amount whatever we are going to write in point 1 will be after adjustment.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we start, everyone? Can we start with step 2? Write down. Write down. Write down. Presentation matters. Write down very clearly. Step 2. Write down along with me, everyone. Like previous one only. Write down directly like that. Please help me with the numbers.
Principal value is 27 lakhs, sir. Parent is 30 lakhs, sir. Whichever is higher.
Write down up to here, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Now we need to compare. So whichever is a higher, whichever is higher,
30.
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs.
So standard limit.
no comparison.
Okay.
30 lakhs.
$29 lakh 80,000, sir. Whichever is lower.
29 lakh.
9 lakh 80,000.
Please write down up to here.
That's done. Done.
Yes, sir.
Actual rent receivable. Put a star mark. We have to write the note on that. 40 lakhs, 10 lakhs is the amenities which are unrelated to house property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we need to consider only 30 lakhs. We have to write a note on that. That note will have half mark because he wanted to test your ability whether you know that or not. If you just like that leave, half mark will be gone. 5 make 4.5, you will 6 marks you will get only 5.5. Like that, wherever note if you are leaving half cut. So actual rent receivable is rupees 30 lakh. Up to here, everyone had a full clarity, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Final amount is selected. So now we need to tell the tell me the final answer.
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Enough.
Loss due to vacancy. Tell me first, loss due to vacancy. You tell the working note clearly. Tell me, loss due to vacancy. What is the total value of the property?
2,40,000.
2,40,000 is the total value, including amenities.
Including
We need to consider only 3/4. And this is vacant throughout the year or only for 4 months in a year? 2,40,000 into 3 by 4 into 4 divided by 12. How much it is? 60,000.
60,000. So if we have unrealized rent, we are supposed to.
Yes. From that only we will reduce and then compare with the standard rent.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay. Finally, ₹29,40,000. Up to here, everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we completed GAV calculation, the main calculation for this problem. 29,40,000. Write this 29,40,000 here. Next, municipal taxes paid. See there, municipal taxes. Municipal taxes of 4 lakh rupees is paid. Please tell me, okay, before doing municipal taxes adjustment, etc., first let us step 2 also completed. Na? Below write down note. Below write down note. The annual rent of rupees 30 lakh is, sorry, I'm very sorry, not 30. The annual rent of rupees 40 lakhs is towards so amenities that are provided can be treated either under the head PGBP or IFRS depending on its nature. That means if my main business involves the providing of such amenities, then it will go into PGBP. Have you written note 1, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Note 2. Note 2. So note 1, we have clearly written that 40 lakh includes a 10 lakh amenities which should be treated either under the head PGBP or IFOS depending on its nature. Here assumed to be under the head PGBP. Okay, next. Right on. Actual rent received and above. Actual rent received is arrived as under so we answered for that 30 lakhs now. I think everyone understood the adjustments clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Number 3, third note, very important. Okay. See here. Here, if you observe, what is this 2 lakh 40?
The alignment of the
Right of
Ah.
prop.
So write down, write down, write down. What do you mean by LDV?
Lost due to
Lost.
vacancy.
Loss due to vacancy.
Lost vacancy.
Annual rent 2 lakh 40,000. Write down here. Tell me, just one last time. After this kind of question we are not going to see again. So first time when you are doing it, sir, do it properly. 2,40,000 is having both amenities as well as rent inside that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, why we multiplied it with 3 by 4?
Because 3/4 of
That
a
is
site.
because 3/4 is the property.
3/4 is the property. Yeah.
30 lakh by 40 lakh.
3/4 is the property, sir.
See here.
So people is
This 2,40,000 la, this 2,40,000 la, how much part is towards the rent? How much part is towards amenities?
3/4 is towards rent. 3/4 is towards 180,000 is towards rent, sir. Rental part.
So write down clearly. Rental part will be 3/4.
then we have experienced this with that 10 lakh and 40 lakh part.
Huh?
So do we have to experience like the 10 lakh part is
No, not required. Like this you can write. Like this you can write 3/4 and 1/4. Okay. Write down clearly rental part. First one is how much?
1,80,000.
Rupees.
60,000. 3,000. 60,000.
Everyone understood all the adjustments clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think everyone have copied. Let's go on to the next one. So we completed step 1 and step 2. Please write down here. Step 1. Okay, we have already completed that. Next, step 3. Step 3. What is the step 3?
Municipal tax.
Write down. Calculation of municipal taxes. Now everyone please tell me, in the question, what is the total municipal taxes paid?
4 lakh.
No. See, this is important adjustment. 4 lakh rupees. Next one is 1,40,000. In that 25,000 is the interest. We have to remove that because we need to consider only what? We need to consider only municipal taxes. Municipal taxes only. We should not consider the interest in arrears. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But very, very important thing. Another point. 4 lakh municipal taxes you are paying is for the total property of that particular Mr. Ravi. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now answer my question. Answer my question. You are using the property that 4 lakh rupees will be paid for the total value of the property. Correct?
Yes, sir.
There is another way of doing this. See here, 4 lakh rupees is there into 3 by 4. Calculate the amount. I will also calculate from my side.
3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. 3
Huh?
lakhs. 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. 3 lakh rupees, they will consider this as a municipal taxes towards the rent. Balance will be taken to PGBP also. Like that also they can do. Do you understand what I have done?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I will calculate and I will tell you exactly. Wait. Wait. 2
But
lakh.
it is also okay to take it as 4 lakhs.
But it is.
But it is also okay to take it as 4 lakhs and write the note.
Means I did not understand.
We can take it as 4 lakhs only and write a note.
Yes, correct. That's what I'm telling. This is an alternative they will take. I'm not telling this is the one they will take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is another alternative. If you find like this any answer, I am not going to do this way. I am telling you, if you find an answer like this is also fairly right only, not wrong. Did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
But this way of doing the answer, I will not suggest. Reason I will tell you. Municipal taxes are collected by the government irrespective of whatever the rent you are collecting. Correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
See, municipal taxes are collected. See, I have a property, whether I use the property, whether I do not use, whether I am giving amenities, whether I am not giving amenities, government don't know all those things, na?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we can't tell. But I will tell you when you have to take for PGBP. Listen, they will tell like this. There is a property divided into 2 units. Unit 1 is for let out. Unit 2 is for business or profession. Then you have to divide.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Hey, did you understand my point?
PGBP. Yes, sir.
For example, they will tell there is a building, there are 2 partitions, part 1, part 2, 50%, 50%. Now, municipal tax you pay also should be apportioned between municipal taxes and, sorry, PGBP and house property. Now, did you understand how they will give the question?
Yes, sir.
But in this question, doing like that, I don't think there is any common sense in that, because how government will know, yeah, whether I have given amenities, whether I have not given amenities, how they will know? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I am not going to do.
Also, this interest on arrears also will be proportioned right towards PGBP and towards IFHP.
You can do, but I will not even suggest that way also. Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay, completely take on house property only, because reason is very clear. Here, I am providing amenities which are PGBP nature. Okay, I am providing amenities which are PGBP nature. Unit is not separately divided for business here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you know? Every participant understood clearly what I am saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, when unit A is divided, for example, they will give in the question 25% of the unit for PGBP, 75% is for house property. Then everything we need to divide 75%, 25%.
I accept that. I accept that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let us continue. Write down. Step 3, municipal taxes. There are a lot of adjustments here. Please write down properly. Number 1. Municipal taxes. First, tell me the answer here. How much is the municipal taxes?
4 lakhs. 4 lakhs.
Rupees?
4 lakhs.
4 lakh. This is for which financial year?
24, 25.
24, 25.
Next. Number 2. Number 2.
10% rebate.
10% should be.
So there is a rebate.
Rebate at the rate of 10%.
10%. So 3,60,000.
Okay, 3,60,000. Tell me, municipal taxes ke adjustment we need to do here. What is the amount here? Rupees 1 lakh?
1,40,000.
Someone is asking doubt, he is talking, I am not understanding. One minute, I couldn't understand anything. Huh? Okay. Huh?
So he's saying that financial year 23-24, not 24-25.
No, I am saying paid. Paid. Not belonging, paid. Municipal taxes are allowed on payment basis, municipal taxes are allowed on accrual basis. Therefore, I said paid. Therefore, I am clearly using the word paid.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell the value.
1,15,000.
Okay. Now tell me,
Four lakh 75,000.
total municipal taxes equal to
4,75,000.
that's it, 4,75,000. Now write down here. Tell me the final answer here. 29,40,000 minus 4,75,000.
24,65,000.
65,000.
24 lakh 65,000. Next, 30%.
7,29,000.
7 lakh.
39,500.
Okay. Next, is there any interest given on capital borrowing?
No, sir.
Sir.
Yes or no? No.
No.
No. Okay. Tell me now, what is the income chargeable under the head house property?
17,25,000.
17,25,500.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So step 1, step 2, up to here. Please copy down everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why everyone copied? Can I go to PGBP head?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down. Step 4.
Sir, if they ask only to compute IFHP, do we need to do this step 4, sir?
They don't ask like that. Definitely, if amenities are given, PGBP mandatorily should be done.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Reason I will tell you. See here.
Total tax.
They ask you to calculate total income.
Yes, sir.
Compute what income?
Total.
Total income. They did not ask you to compute IFHP only.
Okay, sir.
They don't ask like that. If they ask, they will ask both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, computation of income chargeable under the head PGBP. First, write down clearly. First, tell me one answer and then write down what comes under PGBP head. Rental, amenities part.
Amenities.
Huh? Amenities. Amenities. One second. Yes.
In what cases it will be considered as PGBP and in what cases it will be considered?
In the question, they did not tell anything. Amenity providing AC facility, providing some other facility, it is his business. To everyone, he will provide that, na PGBP. Occasionally, he will provide whenever they ask, na other sources. Okay? Okay, understood? Next, very important. Listen. I will provide amenities. I will provide amenities for what? I will provide amenities for the period for which he is staying in the home. Vacancy period, we already deducted 3/4 there. 1/4 we have to deduct now.
Yes.
Do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Every participant, please answer. Already we have calculated. See here, I will show you. See, loss due to vacancy law, how much only we have reduced?
3/4.
3/4. A balance 1/4 belong to what? Amenity provisions.
PGBP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, because of that vacancy, amenity is also not provided during that period.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, that much income also we have to reduce from that 10 lakh. I think you understood my point. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But very important one point is there. See the question. Lift maintenance expenses are there. Those are all expenses.
Yes, sir.
Expenses chargeable under the head PGBP. So take calculator. Nothing needed. After that we will write down. Take 10 lakh rupees on calculator first. Okay. 10 lakh rupees. Huh?
Sir, but can we assume this as be under the standard deduction?
Which one?
The lift maintenance expenses.
Which one? Lift maintenance. No. Listen. Lift maintenance.
PGBP is not.
Lift maintenance expense is not rental. IFHP head loki rental income only should come.
No, sir, if there is no PGBP income in the question and they gave lift maintenance, so we should deem it as to be
If lift maintenance expenses are given, we are not going to deduct that. Whether included into the 30 year, not included into 30 year, no one will know. But we will not allow as a deduction. That's all.
okay.
Just make like it as a standard deduction at 30%.
Okay, everyone. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's start. Continue. By the way, I asked you to do one thing. Take calculator once. 2,40,000 into 1/4. 1/4 into 4/12. Into 4/12 also you should do, na?
20.
I'm asking you one question. What about the 20,000? That 20,000 amenities amount I will collect, can't collect. Can't collect due to what? Vacancy. So therefore, take calculator now. 10 lakh minus 20,000. How much?
9,80,000.
9,80,000. Okay. See here. Lift maintenance expenses 2,40,000 minus 2,40,000. Okay, minus 2,40,000. But in this 2,40,000, 30,000 is a 30,000. In this 2,40,000, 30,000 is a cash payment. Beyond 10,000, if you make any cash payment, it will be disallowed under section 40A3. Allowed or disallowed? Disallowed. Minus 2 lakh 10,000. Correct? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So 9 lakh 80,000 minus how much? 2 lakh 10,000. Okay, minus. See there. Salaries to the staff. How much is the staff paid? Staff rent paid? Salary paid? 88. Hey, listen. This this 88,000 we are paying both for house rent purpose and other charges. Other charges is 1/4 only. 88,000 divided by 4 is 22,000 minus 22,000. 7,48,000 is the PGBP income.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, I'm telling again, don't take this question as so simple. Everything in the house property chapter, all nonsense is there. See here, lift maintenance expenses are 2,40,000. In this 2,40,000, 30,000 is disallowed because of payment made in cash about 10,000. Therefore, it will be added back. Added back means simply in the sense 2,40,000 is not a deductible expense, 2,10,000 a deductible expense. Understood? Next, very important. 88,000 is there. 88,000 is towards staff salary for both house rent and other charges. We are now calculating PGBP. Other charges K we need to consider. Other charges part is how much part?
But
1/4. 1/4 K we should consider under PGBP.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the lift maintenance expense?
2 lakh, sir.
2,40,000. But allowed amount is only how much? Allowed amount is how much? 2,10,000. Okay, 2,10,000. Let us write down everything. Do the answer. Okay. Hey. Mute yourself here. Computation of income chargeable under the head PGBP. In that, write down one by one. Number one. We are not doing proper PGBP question. Therefore, if PGBP chapter starts, I will give you schedule like income computation schedule. Here, this is not a proper PGBP question. Therefore, we can do stepwise and we will complete. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down. First one. Net income from amenities. Net income from amenities. Write down clearly below. Ten lakh.
Communities equal to rupees 10 lakhs.
Two lakh 40,000 into 1 divided by 4 into 4 divided by 12, 20,000. Rupees 9,80,000. Rupees 9,80,000. Rupees 9,80,000. Next one, number 2. Okay, write down there also. Lift maintenance expenses. Tell me, how much is the lift maintenance expense?
2,40,000.
2 lakh.
I hope you know the section and subsection also. Section 40A3. PGBPL I will anyway explain. No worry. Write down.
If we forget the section, but we just write it as disallowance, sir, but they cut the mark.
No, they will not cut the mark, but better. These are all important sections. Na?
Yes, yes.
So it is substitute we can write in third section.
Yes. So
The question
disallowance.
can be right, sir.
Huh?
Can we write instead of section that more anything more than exceeding 10,000 in cash? Is
Yes.
Can we
Like
write,
that you
sir?
can write. Yes.
Okay.
30,000. Number 2. Staff salaries. What is the staff salary he has given in the question?
88,000.
88,000, sir.
Disallowance to the extent it is not attributable to house property. Tell me what is the value?
66,000.
Everyone completed writing up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So below write down.
Sir, I cannot understand the part where the 3/4 disallowance salary.
Eight.
88 salary, sir. 3 salary, then why are we promotion getting, sir? 3/4.
88,000 is the salary they paid towards house rent collection and other charges collection also. Other charges is not chargeable under IFHP na?
Okay, sir.
Other charges means amenity charges. That should go to amenities part only, not to house property part.
Okay, sir.
Everyone understood that adjustment?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 2,10,000 plus 22,000. How much?
2,000. 2,30,000.
2,32,000. Everyone understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finally, write down. See, one is income from amenities, two is expenses incurred, three will be 1 minus 2. Okay, tell me 9,80,000 calculate.
748.
748,000.
7,48,000. Okay, 7,48,000.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, where will that 1/4 will come, sir? The disallowances to the extent or not attributable to house properties tax salaries.
That's it. 3/4 only will be huh?
That will cover under 30% flat deduction, sir. That 1/4 disallowance.
Yes, sir. He got 30% loan. We assume that those are all included. We are not going to give the deduction again.
Okay, sir. That's all I have, sir. First day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Write down. Step number 5. Computation of total income. Computation of total income. Write down. Tell me, what is the income under the head IFHP?
17,25,000.
Income under the head PGBP?
748,000.
7,48,000.
748,000.
Okay. Total income?
24,70,500.
24,73,500.
24,73,500. Okay, well, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is how we need to solve the question on examination. Okay, but this all you have to do in 6 to 7 minutes in exam. Sir, how come? It will be possible, yeah? Now we are discussing example and we are solving it, discussion, all these things are happening and this much time will take. On practice, you practice now. Now if you do the same question at home, 8 to 10 minutes you will complete. Second time if you practice, 6, 7 minutes you will complete the answer. Do you understand the point clearly, yeah?
Yes.
Since you don't know all these adjustments, it is taking time. But once you have all these in mind, speed will come. The process will be very faster. Clear? Sir, all the points, whatever we discussed, did you all understand clearly? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Take question number 3. Take question number.
This is a 6-mark question for.
But we can't do anything. 6 marks say.
Nice.
I understood your problem. After this much torture, they will give only
3
6
to
marks.
4 pages.
It will be. See, there also normal answer also they have given like this only. A final answer, how much we got?
24 lakhs.
24
That's it. That's it. Yes, correct. That's it. Final answer also tally. 24 lakh 73,500. Even this also will take same time. Okay. Next. Yesterday we just pinned this question, but we need to do now. See here. First of all the participants, please tell me, are you all with me? Shall we continue further? Yeah. See here. Mr. Sailesh constructed a house in the previous year 1819 with 3 independent. Now the problem will come with 3 independent units. During the previous year 24-25, Unit 1, 50% of the floor area is let out for residential purpose at a monthly rent of 20,000. Rent of January 2025 could not be collected from the tenant and a notice to vacate the unit was given to the tenant. No other property of Mr. Sailesh is occupied by tenant. Now the unrealized rent will be allowed as a deduction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Unit 1 remains vacant for February and March when it was not put to any use. Okay. This will be called as a loss due to Yes, correct. Unit 2, 25% of the floor area is used by Mr. Shailesh for the purpose of his business. Now municipal taxes also will be broken into 3 parts. 3 independent units ki 3 parts we will divide the municipal value as well. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, Unit 3, remaining 25 is utilized for his residence. Self-occupied. Here, one question I asked all the 3. Self-occupied, PGBP, and let out property. Okay. Other particulars, municipal value, fair rent, standard rent, municipal taxes. Tell me how to treat these municipal taxes now.
Should be divided into 3 parts.
See, 30,000 la 50% being 15,000 is deductible under let out property income computation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let out property income computation that will come. And part 2, self-occupied property ki anyway we are not going to allow. 30,000 into 25%, 7,500 is allowed as a deduction under the head PGBP.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, repairs, PGBP. Interest on capital borrowed. Again, interest on capital borrowed also 45,000 will be allowed under IFHP. 90,000 into 25%. 22,500 will be allowed under PGBP.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ground rent will be allowed, 6,000 will be allowed as a deduction under PGBP under the section number 31. Okay, under section number 30, and 60,000 will be allowed under section number 31 of PGBP. Okay. Next, income of Shailesh from the business 2,40,000 without debiting house rent and other incidental expenditure. Okay, what we need to do? They did not debit the house rent. Now we have to do debit or not?
Yes, sir.
We should not. We should not. That's what I said in the yesterday's class. House rent, if you are using your own house property, you will not be allowed as a deduction for the house rent.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
If you remember, I told you that point.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is to confuse you. This is trap. Next, other incidental expenditure. So, income of Shailesh from the business is 2,40,000 without debiting the house rent and other incidental expenditure. Determine the taxable income of Mr. Shailesh for the assessment year 25-26 if he opts to be taxed under 115 BAC. 7 marks question given in exam. Read the question first. Good question. I'll do one thing. Wait. Okay. Read the question. Everyone, page is visible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please read question. Other than that, don't do anything. Read question properly. Take a rough paper, put all the numbers, understand the concept clearly first before we start with the solution. Shall we start? I hope you read all the points, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, first point number one. In this question, the new thing is they divided everything into three parts. Means what? There are three units: Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. If you observe clearly, Unit 1 and Unit 3 are house property. See the question. See the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Unit 1, Unit 3 is for house property. Unit 2 is for PGBP. Okay, va? Now what will happen whenever you calculate the municipal taxes? That municipal taxes also will be divided into three parts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Municipal taxes will be divided into three parts. Okay, na?
2:1.
So this is the point. So we will divide that into three parts: 50%, 25%, and 25%. Okay, va? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next, I will ask another question. I will ask another question. I will ask another question. Tell me, interest on capital borrowed, a important adjustment. Okay, interest on a capital borrowed, loan. My question is, listen carefully. My question is, listen carefully. Point number one: let out property ke how much interest will be deductible?
Actually, what we are doing.
Whatever we paid will be deductible. But here, let out property is 100%, 50%. It will be only 50% of the total property, correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, when you see the interest 90,000, 90 will not be allowed. 90 how much only will be allowed? 45. Okay, very good. Second question. Second question. Okay, very good. Second question. Another unit 3 is a self-occupied property again, correct? Self-occupied property ki interest will be allowed to full extent up to 2 lakh. Okay, 90,000 la 50%, 25%. 25% comes to how much value?
22,500.
That will be deductible for self-occupied or not? Will not be because he opted for 115 BAC.
Correct.
If you opt for 115 BAC, interest will not be allowed as a deduction.
Yes, yes.
Are you listening, everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is the next thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
That's it. Remaining everything is same. Shall we do it together?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it clearly. Hey, here, municipal value, fair rent, standard rent, all the three are given. Okay? 2,88,000 into 50%. 1,44,000.
144.
298 into 50%. 149. 278 into 50%. 1,39,000.
139.
You know now how to compare everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let us do it. Let us do it. 7 marks question. 6 marks K, that much working. Now 7 marks. Write down. Solution. Write down first. Part 1. Part 1. Income from house property. That too, which property? Let out property.
So we can also do it side.
Huh?
We can also do it side by side.
But always it is preferred do it separately. Okay?
Okay, sir.
First take this. Income computation, income in IFHP computation statement, let out property. Okay, va?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Step 1 completed. Step 2. Step 2. What is the step 2? Calculation of gross annual value. Okay, shall we start, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clearly write down calculation of GAV. Okay, calculation of GAV.
Sir, if the short form allowed exam.
No, you have to read fully. Classroom purposes, I am doing GAV.
Okay.
Okay, write down first. Note.
So none of the short forms are usable in exam?
Huh?
So none of the short forms can be used in the exam?
No, you cannot. Official only can be used. Example, earnings per share, EPS, officially allowed, you can use.
Yes, like IFS, PGBP, not even.
No. IFH VGBP is not official.
Okay.
So note. Division of amounts. Okay, write down clearly. Okay, write down clearly. First one. Did you understand what we are doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, municipal value, 50% value, you tell me.
1,44,000.
1,40,000.
Self-occupied PGBP ki, the concept does not apply. So don't write down unnecessarily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, fair rent.
Fair rent, 1,49,000.
And like 48,000.
Last one, standard rent.
1,39,000, sir.
And like 39,000.
Municipal taxes. See the question and tell me. How much is the total municipal tax?
30,000.
See the screen, see the screen. See the screen, I clearly made there. How much? 30.
30,000, sir. 30,000.
15,000. Do you understand how the 15,000 came?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Self-occupied property, how much?
Nothing to be taken.
Sir, under 115 BAC,
Not a.
okay.
Hey, someone please mute yourself. Up to here, completed everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next, interest on capital borrowed. Right on. And again, someone tried to answer under 115 BAC. Municipal taxes are disallowed not under 115 BAC.
If it's self-occupied, we cannot think of, because GA itself is new.
Yes, for that reason, not because of BAC.
For self-occupied, only interest on capital will be allowed up to that time.
Interest on capital borrowed also will be allowed only if you do not 115 BAC or anything. For lettered property, it will be allowed interest on capital borrowed. Right on, number 5. Tell the answer, yeah. Rupees?
45,000.
45,000.
Next, here.
Not around.
Okay, why everyone understood entire schedule?
Yes, sir.
So the book, whatever I have showing you, they don't contain this much of analysis. They are just writing some numbers. They are taken from the ISM copy. But this is the right way of providing the answer. Doubt will not come. Yeah. So next one. So division of amounts is also completed. Now you can do the answer as it is. Now you tell the answer here first. Number 1, municipal value. Tell the answer.
1,44,000.
1,44,000.
Everyone do along with me. Don't try to copy. Next, number 2.
Land rent, 1,49,000.
1,49,000. Whichever is higher. 1,49,000.
So here the selected amount will be
Land rent, 1,49,000. 49,000.
With that standard rent. 1,39,000.
1,39,000, sir.
1,39,000. Whichever is lower.
someone is warm blood. Mute it. Tell the final answer now. Whichever is lower.
1,39,000.
1,39,000. Now we need to compare this with
Actual rent receipt.
Babu, see here. Wait. Don't get excited. See the question. See.
Unrealized rent.
See here once. If you observe, unit 1 remained vacant for February and March month when it is not put to any use. So this is a loss due to what? Vacancy. I'm talking to everyone.
Yes, sir.
and January month rent cannot be collected from the tenant, notice is given and he is not in occupancy. Means can we deduct this as an unrealized rent or not? Yes. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now, let us do the answer now. Let's do it together. Start the answer. Actual rent receivable. Tell the value.
2 lakh. 2 lakh.
20,000.
20,000 into 10 months.
How much it will be?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
From this, what we can deduct?
Unrealized rent.
20,000.
20,000.
From this, starting.
Oh, sorry.
20,000.
One lakh 80,000.
1 lakh 80.
Whichever is higher.
One lakh 80,000. So this ARR and SR, final selection, whatever the number may be, whichever is lower, whichever is higher.
Whichever is higher.
Okay, below write down clearly. Write down what is the final amount rupees.
1,80,000.
That's it. 1,80,000. Up to here, everyone understood clearly, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now see the question once. See the question here. They have mentioned that Unit 1 remains vacant for the month of February and March when it is not put to any use. When it is not put to any use. Are you listening, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now, one second. See here. What we have done previously also I will show you. Which question we got lost due to vacancy? First question, huh? Second question. Okay, see here. 27 lakh, 30 lakh. What is 27 lakh? Municipal value. Fair rent, whichever is higher. After that, we have taken this, whichever is lower. Next, after that, we have considered this before adjusting loss due to vacancy. And this 30 lakhs is for what? I repeat, this 30 lakhs is for what? No. Actual rent for one second. Actual rent for all the months are or only for some number of months are? All the months. Correct? Therefore, since we considered for full year, loss due to vacancy for that particular 4 months we deducted here.
Okay, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In this question, see the adjustment here.
Only for
Actual rent receivable we have already considered for how many months?
10 months.
Answer.
10 months.
10 months, sir.
10 months we considered. Okay, now tell me.
Yes.
One second. Actual rent receivable you considered only for 10 months. For example, see here. Roughly I will do and I will explain you. See here. Actual rent receivable we are not taking for 10 months. We have taken for entire year. Tell me, how much?
2,40,000, sir.
2,40,000. Okay, na? Okay. Unrealized rent will be how much?
20,000.
So how much it will become?
20,000.
2,20,000. Okay. Minus loss due to vacancy.
Months vacancy.
40. How much it will become?
Again, monthly.
That's why in this problem we are doing like this. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have done in both the ways. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, whenever question comes in examination, unrealized rent, ARR, whenever you take actual rent receivable, if you ask me, this is how institute has presented its answer. But I will not go through this here. Since ICA has followed this, I am following this. But if you ask me what is correct one, because that's why we will write here actual rent receivable. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to take for the full year. Clear?
Yes, sir.
From that we need to reduce the unrealized rent and you take whichever is higher. Anyone having a doubt?
No, sir.
So then we will calculate, compare standard rent, whichever is higher. Then we will reduce also this particular point called as loss due to vacancy. In this way, if you do the answer as per ICA, then what is the adjustment you are giving to loss due to vacancy? Do you understand my point, everyone?
We understand, sir.
Okay. See here now. First question, if you see, first question. In this first question, what happened? Unrealized rent we could not deduct. Why we could not deduct unrealized rent?
No, sir, not satisfied.
Satisfied.
Because one of the condition wasn't satisfied. We are not considering that unrealized rent. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So here, if you observe clearly, what happened in this question? Property was let out between so and so date, 80,000 per month, April 1st to November 30th or something he has given. Tenant vacated and Miss Rajini used it for what occupation?
Self-occupation.
Because of that reason, that she used it for self-occupation, we could not take for 12 months here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the annual rent that you have to receive is 80,000 into 80. In this case, you can't even multiply with the 12 because the particular property is not there for 12 months in let out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? First thing everyone answered. Did you
sir.
understand the explanation that I said you now?
Yes, sir.
We understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a right way, wrong way, this way.
Wrong.
This is not the problem.
Actually speaking, this is not right. Okay. Actually speaking, this is not right. But institute is following this. So I am doing as per institute. If you do like this, then what adjustment you have given for loss due to vacancy? Do you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I'm telling what ICA has
Can
done.
we write in the bracket that for the month of February and March, it was not put to use for any purpose? Can we put it like that, sir?
Not put to use for?
For 2 months, for the month of February and March. If we put in the bracket so that they can understand it is adjusted after taking only 10 months into consideration.
Actually, you should not consider 10 months, you should consider 12 months.
Only 12 months, correct, sir? What I'm asking is, in the ARR, you are asking, right? If this is not an adjusted thing, you have to do it the proper way. And what I'm asking is, after this 2 lakh, can we put in the bracket that for February and March month, it was not put into use so that we are not considering the 2 months. Can we write it? I'm asking.
Like that only they have done actually. But that is not a right way. That's what I am saying.
Right way. Okay.
Okay. Because it is available, property is available for let out. Okay, property is available for let out, but you kept it vacant, no one came. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
So actual rent receivable will be 2 lakh 40. In that URR should be deducted 2 lakh 20, 2 lakh 20. Then 2 lakh 20 will come. From that we have to reduce loss due to vacancy and then write down 1 lakh 80. That's the right procedure.
Okay, sir.
Everybody understood up to here clearly? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Anyway, the institute has done this way. I am also doing this way. But okay, what to do? We can't do anything. Risk is coming from the system directly, the systematic risk. We can't do anything. So listen.
In sums, if any other sums asked in exam is presented by ICT in different ways, then the evaluators know that the way we presented is right.
Yes,
and
yes,
better
they will
than-
do. Hey, we have other problems also, no problem. Next day also we can take and we will solve some questions tomorrow also. At that time you will understand. Okay?
Yes, sir, because the right way is by calculating the annual value and deducting the vacancy loss. So like this, if any other question asked by the examiner, we will be solving as like we solve every time by doing for annual value and deducting vacancy loss.
Ah.
But for the IC,
No. Institute will see only this 1 lakh 80. They don't want other things.
Particulars they don't see.
Yes, and the answer.
They don't see, they see only answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, tell me now, what we calculated at the end, whichever is higher also came, higher is 1 lakh 80. Now, what is 1 lakh 80?
Gross annual.
Up to here, everyone understood clearly, yeah? Everyone, 1 lakh 80,000 up to here, everyone understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Next, municipal taxes paid. See the question. Already we have done a table. What is the municipal taxes we need to deduct?
15,000.
15? Okay. Do it. Okay. Net annual value.
65,000.
Okay. Deductions under section 24. Standard deduction 30%.
49,000.
500.
Next. Capital borrowed 45,000. Now you understand the importance of this working note.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next. Income chargeable 70 lakhs.
70,000.
Huh?
70,000.
70,000. Correct? Okay. Now see here. Let me show you the answer also once. Yes, perfect. How much is the answer? 70,500. Okay, bye everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Next part, remaining part we will see in the next session. Yeah, I need to eat. I did not eat anything. Okay.
Okay, sir. You can get it.
Tomorrow we will do again, continue. No breaks in DT class. Till I say it will continue like this every day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I need to receive the WhatsApp link, sir.
WhatsApp link. You message me personally. I will send you. Huh?
Yeah, meaning how to join in Teams, you can share WhatsApp link in YouTube itself, no, sir. So they can also join in Teams.
I will do that.
Yes, sir.
I will do. So anyway, everyone understood the method of doing the questions, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, hey, listen. Tomorrow we will do entire IFHP and complete. Next we will be solving another chapter called as the PGBP. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
It's nice.